Boom, boom, boom. All right, I think we're live. Let's get into this. Let's get some music on. And let me just double check that we're live again. Don't want to mess up here. Cheers. Let's get started. All right. All right. Perfect. We're now streaming with ultra low latency as well. So, yeah, this is good. All right. Yeah, I'm watching it right now. So it's basically like the slightest of slight delays that you could imagine. So, good. Cool. All right. Let's get started. And this is so damn good. God damn. Pineapple energy drink. All right. So, let's get started here. Let me just pull stuff up. All right, so yeah, it's always fun trading into all-time high territory because, you know, a lot of people, by the way, this was paper trading, just testing something. I'm actually recording a video on the Stream Deck. So I'm going to be coming out with a video on the Stream Deck, how to set up like hotkeys, how to trade with the Stream Deck, all that, because that's what I trade with. So yeah, those were just paper trading test trades. So don't think I was just spamming right there. Now, with that said, it's always interesting trading into an all-time high, just because it's like, you know, it's just uncharted territories. And then everyone tends to be a contrarian, so they always think, okay, this is it, it's going down, and then next thing you know, it keeps going up. I used to be a contrarian, and I used to always, you know, think that price was just going to come down if it's up so much. And I'm looking at my camera right now. I'm so dark. Wait, I wonder if I can change the settings. Hold up. Let me see if I can turn this so it's brighter. Let's see. All right, I think this should be, I think, okay. Wait, just double check. There we go. All right. That's a little bit brighter. All right, so let's form some biases here. The problem with this light right here is like it's just too bright. I'm trying to think if there's a better solution. All right, this is a little bit better for me. I think the lighting looks a little bit more dramatic though right now. Yeah. All right, market is open. I'm curious how it's going to look today. Are we just going to consolidate on 30K and just agree that that's where price should be? I'm not going to be trading into the open though today. I'm gonna sit, gonna wait, gonna watch, gonna see what's going on. Even though that's a very enticing buy right now at this price point. Just because price has been, in the last hour, it's just been going down. And it looks like there is some consolidation here. And cross-referencing this on Bookmap, looks like there is a good amount of bids right in here. So I also wanted to just open up the news real quick to see what we got going on today. So let's see, today is Wednesday, so we got an FOMC member speaking. We have, that's really it. An FOMC member speaking. So with that, let's see what CNBC says. Anything good? U.S. oil falls. Let's check out oil. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so the only thing that could fully move today in today's market Wait, let me check earnings. All right, nothing important for the earnings as well. I mean, I like the consolidation here. Like that looks nice. But we got to see Microsoft hold. Nvidia is falling off as well right now. Let's see if we can check out like I don't know. Actually, I'm realizing for my stream, I need to move. Let's see. I should move this. Let's see if I can mirror or flip this. Flip horizontal. There we go. Okay. All right, now I think it'll be better to read the positions here a little bit. All right, so that broke there. You know, looking at Microsoft right now, let's see. Gapped down. Nvidia seems to be potentially bottoming here. Amazon looks okay. I think the one thing that could just flip the market today is if Trump is going to tweet something, you know, saying like the war is over or something like that, then it's like, I don't know, it might look weird. This is so damn good. Oh my God. All right, so this looks like this would be a key level. I mean, really, it's more so zone, right? Switch to rectangle. Damn, I mean, that's a sell-off. I would imagine there's going to be some respect on this zone, though, right? Like, but I don't want to force any trades in the morning. I want to wait until we see some respect on this zone. Yeah, and it looks like there is a lot of bids here. I'm curious if we hit 3,050, like what that's gonna look like on this. Weak recovery here. I mean, we just bounced back on this previous level. All right, it's hitting. Let's see how this absorption looks like. Just broke that. Hitting here. So are we going to dip into yesterday's value area high, which would coincide with this level? Potentially, but that's a long way down. All right, it's weak, very weak, super weak. Just went right through that. How's oil looking then? Let's see. Small bounce on oil. I'm gonna put in a buy right here. Wait, that just got taken out. Wait, I just put my stop way too close. No. All right, that just got taken out. Wow. Major sell-off. Again, major sell-off happening here. Going in here. Stop. Putting a tight stop on this. All right, I'm gonna put 5 more on. Just trading micros right now. I'll enter more on a pullback. Let's see. All right, moving stop to break even. All right, putting 2 TPs slightly above. No. Oh, I was doing that on the wrong account, actually. Shit. Didn't even notice that. Yeah, brutal today. Let me just check something. Wait. I was accidentally trading on the wrong account for that. Whoops. Try one more time here. All right. This isn't making any sense. It won't let me take, wait. I just want to make sure my TP is set properly. So, that is so weird. It's only letting me, wait. All right, there we go. We got some recovery there. I was trading a singular account. I thought I was trading a group, my group accounts. So when I saw the amount was like a negative, like I think it was like negative 500. Let me check actually. Yeah, wait. I want to show that though. Okay. Yeah, one of my accounts. Oh man. Yeah, one of my accounts took a 700 hit. I thought it was the group account of multiple accounts, but no, it was actually just one. That sucks. Oh well. 700 loss for 1600 gain. I'll take it. Let's get some recovery. Moving stop loss into break even and above to make sure profit will be locked today. So overall today I want to play like I'm playing defense. Yesterday actually was a good day for me. 600 on stream, so that's pretty cool. Like I was actually a little bit nervous thinking, okay, maybe on, you know, when I stream this I'm gonna like fuck up and like lose a shit ton of money for my first stream, but luckily that didn't happen, so that's good. Wait, let me just concentrate here. Dude, respect to people who actually trade and can fucking talk at the same time, because that is difficult for me, all right? Because I'm trying to focus on actually locking this shit in since we're up 2K off of just a few micros. Let's see. All right, this is 3050, so I'm gonna put on. I'll put 247. Wait, is that? Yeah, I'll put the 47, 46. And if 46 gets taken out, then first stop loss will get hit. Ideally, this maintains here. All right, first stop loss hit. Second stop loss. All right, and out of those positions. See, is it going to break any lower than this? Yes, it is. All right, entering again for a small position here. A few micros. All right, those got taken out. Okay. I'll go one more time. If we get some recovery here. Go one more time. $2988. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss on 2966. If that gets taken out, then this trade for me is invalidated. 2978. Where's this? 301. Adding on pullback if we get one. If not, letting run. All right, moving stop loss into break even. All right, that got taken out. Wait, one of these accounts, let me see if the one I accidentally traded, let me see if we can just play around with that. And for that one, we're going to trade a mini on it. It's an account I don't really care about, but, you know, you can swing for the fence on it. That's like, oh well. All right, let's see if we can. All right, nope. See if we can do it again. Pull back. 1, 2. Ooh, okay. No. Yeah, that's it for that account. On the day, yeah, okay. That sucks. All right, but I think the other accounts though that did well. Let's see. Yeah, what sucks is like, I think this is gonna break. Go higher. Let's see. super weak. Let's see if this holds. All right, it's looking kind of weak here. All right, that just got stopped out. Let's see, what are we at on the day? We'll go one more time. Tight stop. Holy, okay, that broke. Better to go short right now, honestly. No. Just super weak. Super weak. All right, let's see if that holds. No, that's not holding. $30,000 key level. Moving my stop loss up a little bit here. Gonna put it a bit tighter. Let's see. Yeah. Hold up. BRB. price action is so weak right now. Yeah, interesting. Honestly, based off of this rejection, I should have shorted. Such a weak day in terms of price action. So, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking, I kind of had a long bias thinking that this price action would recover through here. And in reality, I should have just waited until the chop. And let's see, are we bouncing? Yeah, right. Yeah, just super messy price action today. Today just didn't go that well, so it is what it is. Yesterday went well, but yeah, today didn't go well. And yeah, looking at price action pre-market too, I mean, I was kind of thinking like this was the box I drew. I was thinking, okay, if price breaks through here, then it's probably, you know, bearish on the day. And so, and there was no, you know, there was a tried recovery into that zone, but it completely broke. So it, yeah, very bearish today. Let me see something. I might trade one more account. No, I don't want to trade today. I don't think anymore today. I mean, it's just getting rejected after rejected here. Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia sold off. Microsoft is doing okay. And Amazon is doing all right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I think like I'm not gonna trade anymore today. I honestly I didn't get a good read on the market. I was thinking that price would recover sooner, and it was maybe it is right now, but yeah, Didn't get a good read on the market today, as I did yesterday. Let me just check something. Yeah, price is just so weak today. Yeah, still gonna call it there today. Tomorrow is another day. So yeah, hopefully I'll stream tomorrow and we'll see what happens. Today overall, yeah, not a good day. Yesterday was a little bit better for me, but I think like, let me try to put a learning lesson to this too. I mean, for the past, days, past week, price has been, going super hard, right? Into all-time high. It's probably due for some period of a sell-off, consolidation. Yeah, such a shit price action too, just up one side, down the other. That's hard to trade. The only good trade opportunity I think I could have had today is a wait for the sell-off, wait for the consolidation, and quickly scalp this. That was the only possible good trade I could have had today. Overall, I didn't get a good read on the market. So maybe price is going to bounce off of yesterday's previous value area low in this range. Seems plausible. So yeah, I would imagine price may bounce or consolidate in this zone. Let me see. Yeah, so gonna call it a day today and come back tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's stream. Cheers.